Assalamu alaikum awesome people. Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are well. So friends, today video is most beautiful handmade flower ideas. So I hope you enjoy today's video. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like this video, share this video your friends. So viewers, I request you increase video quality will make it easier for you to watch and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this. Viewers, if you want to see anything else on this channel, then let me know and I will fulfill your request. If you are new in my channel, so please must subscribe, like and share this video. And I am views. If you want to see much more fashion related ideas from my channel, so please must tell me and give your precious opinion. These designs are in handmade designs and this is beautiful design. I hope you like these designs. I hope you enjoy today's video. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like this video, share this video. If you have any comments about this video or channel, keep loving my channel like this. Please comment. You will surely like today's collection. As you can see, this collection is very beautiful, very stylish. I hope you enjoy today's video. Tell me what you think of these designs so I can do better. So viewers, in these designs is most beautiful designs. This is ideas video. If you don't have any idea about my video, so you can easily get idea from this video. I hope you are enjoying this video. Maybe you can get that ideas from this video you are not looking for anywhere. So viewers, what kind of content do you wanna see in my next video? Please must tell me. We will try to fulfill your request. If you want to see much more fashion related ideas from my channel, so please must tell us and give your precious opinion about my channel. I am sure